All right, this is Will. The app that I have chosen is CNN. This is the website for CNN. I will show you here in a second the application version of it that you can use on iPad, iPhone, uh, accessories like that. But right now, if you were to use a laptop, computer, whatever, this is what you would get if you go to www.cnn.com. This is what you'll get. Now, CNN is worldwide news. It is literally anything you could possibly imagine news wise. It is um, news from the U.S. That's going on currently, and then you can look at different topics like crime and justice, energy and environment, extreme weather, space and science, etc. Um, you know, just all the news that you could possibly imagine is on this website. Um, you can look at news from around the world. You can look at politics if you are into politics, business, the economy, health, entertainment, sports, travel. It literally has anything. You can even watch live TV from the website. Um, so from there, if you have the app or you want to download the app, all you'd have to do is go to the Apple Store, Android Store, type in CNN, and this is what will come up. Um, on this, you can literally do the same thing. You can watch CNN live. You can watch CNN original series like this one, Anthony Bourdain, Parts Unknown. Stay updated on developing stories going on around the world. Um, you can set alerts to your phone. So if something was to happen, you can get a notification straight to your phone from the application. Um, and then it gives you in-depth news coverage. So this is probably one of the most informative applications that's out there because it has everything you can imagine: the news, original series, just anything you could possibly um, imagine. So I believe I've actually had this app before to keep up with um, stories that have gone on throughout the world, good or bad. And CNN, in my opinion, is a very reliable application. Obviously has a high ranking with as many ratings as it has. Number 7 in the news, and it is a free app too. So doesn't cost you anything. All you gotta do is put your password in, and it will download, and you have the news right at the tip of your finger. So that's my app. Um, yeah,